How to fix camera shutter lag in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera. On top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on the setting icon and then scroll down and click on reset and then again click on reset. After reset the camera settings, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps and then click on camera and click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear the camera cache memory, then go back and click on system updates and here you can check your system updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After checking your system updates, then go back and click on system and then click on reset options. In last you can see the option erase all data factory reset. Now click on it and then click on erase all data. After that your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.